Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on an epic journey of conquering your fitness goals. In this mind-blowing video, I'll be unveiling an easy routine specifically designed for all you amazing newbies out there. Whether you're a couch potato looking to shed those extra pounds or a gym newbie seeking guidance, this routine is tailored just for you. And trust me, it's going to be a game changer. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk numbers. Did you know that over 70% of people who start a fitness journey give up within the first 3 months? Crazy, right? Well, that's where this routine comes in. I've meticulously crafted this plan to ensure that you not only stick to it, but also enjoy the process. Say goodbye to those failed attempts and hello to sustainable progress. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this routine? Well, my friend, it's all about simplicity and effectiveness. This routine consists of just 4 key exercises that target your major muscle groups. We're talking squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. These compound movements engage multiple muscles at once, maximizing your calorie burn and building overall strength. And the best part? No fancy equipment needed. You can do these exercises anywhere, anytime. But wait, there's more. Did you know that studies have shown that engaging in regular physical activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, by up to 50%? That's right. By incorporating this routine into your life, you're not only sculpting your dream body, but also boosting your overall health. So, are you ready to conquer fitness like never before? Stick around for the second half of this video, where I'll be demonstrating each exercise, providing detailed instructions, and giving you invaluable tips to maximize your results. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Remember, my goal is to help you succeed on your fitness journey, and with this easy routine, you'll be well on your way to becoming the best version of yourself. So hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's conquer fitness together. Alright, it's time to dive deeper into the secrets of this easy routine for newbies. Each exercise in this program has its own unique benefits, targeting different muscle groups and helping you achieve a well-rounded physique. First up, we have squats. This powerhouse exercise primarily targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Not only will squats give you those toned legs you've always wanted, but they also engage your core and promote overall stability. And here's a fascinating fact. Did you know that squats can burn up to 200 calories in just 15 minutes? That's like running a mile. Next on the list are push-ups, the ultimate upper body strengthener. By performing push-ups, you'll sculpt your chest, triceps, and shoulders, giving you that sought-after chiseled look. And here's a mind-blowing statistic. A study conducted at Stanford University found that individuals who can perform more than 40 push-ups in a row have a significantly lower risk of heart disease. So not only will push-ups make you look good, but they'll also keep your ticker healthy. Moving on to lunges, the exercise that targets your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, while improving your balance and coordination. Lunges are fantastic for sculpting your lower body, and can even help reduce the risk of knee injuries. So if you're looking to rock those summer shorts, lunges are your secret weapon. Last but not least, we have planks. This deceptively simple exercise strengthens your core muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back.